Explain conditional or decision statements in PHP with example. Conditional or decision statements are used to perform different actions based on conditions. PHP conditional statements are if statement, if else statement, if elseif statement, and switch statement. First, if statement. If statement is used to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. Format: if followed by a condition. If this condition evaluates to true, then the block of statement which is part of the if block will get executed. So the block of statement which is part of if block will get executed only if the condition evaluates to true. PHP code to display "Have a nice weekend" if the day is either Saturday or Sunday using if statement. We write the code inside PHP script block. By using date function, we fetch the day and store in a $d variable, and the day is displayed. After that, by using if statement, we check whether $d is equal to Saturday or Sunday. For OR operator, we are using pipe symbol, two pipe symbol. So in the condition, first we check whether $d is equal to Saturday or $d is equal to Sunday. If this condition is true, then inside the block we write "Have a nice weekend." Second, if-else statement. If-else is used to execute if block of code when a condition is true and another else block of code when the condition is false. Format: if followed by the condition. If this condition evaluates to true, it will execute the block of statement which is part of if. If the condition evaluates to false, it goes to the else block and execute the statement block which is part of else. So here there are two blocks of statement, the block of statement which is part of if and block of statement which is part of else. If statement block will get executed if the condition evaluates to true, and else block of statement will get executed if the condition evaluates to false. Example: PHP code to display "Have a nice weekend" if the day is either Saturday or Sunday, and on other days display "Have a nice day" using if-else statement. PHP scripting block. We fetch the day by using date function and display that, and then we first check an if block statement. There we check whether the $d is equal to Saturday or $d is equal to Sunday. Then we display by using echo statement "Have a nice weekend." Else on all other days, in the else block, we echo "Have a nice day." Now both if and else part, there is only single statement, so there is no compulsion that we have to include that single statement inside the curly braces. So there is no need to put the curly braces if there is only a single statement which is part of the if or else. Third, if-else-if statement. If-else-if statement is known as ladder statement or chain conditional statement that allows checking multiple conditions for true and executes a block of code as soon as one of the condition evaluates to true. If all the conditions result in false, statements within the final else block will be executed. If followed by condition 1 and block of statement which is part of the first block. If the condition 1 evaluates to true, it will execute the block of statement which is part of first if. Else, if the condition 1 is false, it goes to the next and check condition 2. If condition 2 is true, it executes the block of statement. Similarly, we can repeat for number of else if block with different conditions. If all the conditions evaluates to false, then it goes into the final else block. So final else block of statement will get executed if all the previous condition 1, 2 up to n, all are false. PHP code to display enjoy your party if the day is Saturday, display have a nice weekend if the day is Sunday, and on other days display have a nice day using if else statement. If else if statement. So PHP scripting block, we fetch the day by using date function. And first we check if $d is equal to Saturday. If $d is Saturday in if part, then we echo enjoy your party. Else if $d is equal to Sunday, else if $d is equal to Sunday, then we echo have a nice weekend. In the final else if in all other days, we echo have a nice day. Fourth, switch statement. Switch statement is used to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. Format, switch followed by an expression. Now, if this expression evaluates to a particular value, depending upon the value of the expression, different case block can get executed. So the first case with label 1. So if the expression evaluates with the value label 1, it goes to case label 1 and execute the block of statement which is part of that case. And after every block of statement present in the case, we have to write a break statement. If we don't write the break statement, it will fall into the next case block by default. Similarly, if the expression evaluates to value label 2, it goes into the case label 2 and block of statement which is part of label 2, case label 2 will get executed. And after that we require break statement. After every case block we have to write break statement, otherwise it falls into the next case block automatically. And similarly we can repeat for finite number of labels where each label is a value of the expression. Now if none of the label matches with the expression value, it goes into the default block and block of statement which is part of default block will get executed. There is no need of a break statement after default because there is no further block of statement which need to get executed. In this switch statement, first expression in switch is evaluated first. Value of expression is compared with value of each case. If there is a match, block of code associated with that case is executed. Use break statement to prevent code from running into next case automatically. Default statement block is executed if no match is found. Example, PHP code to display have a nice weekend if the day is either Saturday or Sunday, and on other days display have a nice day using switch statement. So we fetch the day by using date function and display the day. Now day variable we mentioned in the switch statement block switch $d. So $d can take different day value. So different day value can become the case label. So first we have to mention the case label for Saturday. Similarly for Sunday, because for Saturday and Sunday for both we have to display have a nice weekend. So rather than repeating twice, followed by Saturday, we write one more case Sunday. So for both Saturday and Sunday, it executes the statement which is written inside the Sunday block. So there we have echoed have a nice weekend. Because when the $d is equal to Saturday, it comes to the case Saturday, but there is no code written and there is no break, so it automatically falls to case Sunday and execute the statement which is written there as a have a nice weekend. And after that we write the break. If we don't write break, it goes to the next case block or default block by default. So when $D is equal to either Saturday or Sunday, it executes the statement which is written inside case Sunday, and after that it will break. On all other days that goes into the default block, we echo have a nice day.